Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable auto wallpaper change in lock screen in Galaxy A06 device. Guys, I'm talking about the auto lock screen wallpaper like this. So these wallpaper are changing continuously when we open up the screen. So how you can disable this feature? First of all, we have to go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of wallpaper and style. This comes to wallpaper and then click to change wallpapers. Okay, so in this section guys, just scroll down and as you see we have an option of wallpaper service. So just tap here, and as it is selected dynamic lock screen, all you guys have to do is just click to none so that your wallpaper will not be changed automatically, and then click apply. So as you see wallpaper applied to lock screen. Now go back to the lock screen and let's see. So as you see, the wallpaper is not changing again and again, and that's how we can disable this feature. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.